Sometimes you just have to get out in the middle of nowhere to get yourself grounded. You know, our nervous systems are so overstimulated. It's just like nonstop news, cell phone, Facebook, election, pandemic, uh, civil rights. I'm probably missing a bunch of others. It's so much for the nervous system. We can easily be overrun, cranky, crabby. I'm out in a place that not much cell or internet, which is fine, and it's quiet. It's nice. So I just invite you to unplug and take care of yourself. Sat Nam.